I will give you my point of sale system demo to you. So let's start. First, you have to enter your username and password. If you want to remember me, then you can add, otherwise it's on you. And go to your login. Okay, after the successful login, you will be navigated to the dashboard page, where you can see some quick links like products, sales, quotations, purchases, transfers, customer, supplier, notification, users, and settings. Okay, moreover, there are also 5 tabs available, 6 tabs available that shows the sales data, quotation data, purchase data, transfer data, customer data, and supplier data. Okay, after that, go to the products. In the products list, you will find some options here like list product, add product, import products, print barcode, quantity adjustment, add adjustment, stock count, and count stock. Okay, first we will go to the list product. Here we will get the list of the products that we will enter for our point of sale system. From where we enter these add the products. So to add the products, we will go first here in add product section. In the add product section, for example, we have to enter the product with name product 1. Okay, so product 1, product code should be anything, brand. Now every product has its brand, so you have to enter the brand. So from where you can enter the brand, you can go to the settings, then select brand here, brand, category, subcategory. If you want to add other, you can skip it, and then unit. Okay, basically weight is product code slug, it will create automatically. Secondary name, if you want to enter secondary name, otherwise ignore it. Weight, every product has its weight. If you want to add it, you can add it, otherwise ignore it. All the fields with this static icon is compulsory. Okay, otherwise and those that don't have any static icons, you can ignore it. So we have to add a brand like I will add a brand with code this, name brand 1, description test brand, add brand. Now I will click on add brand, so it will add the brand successfully. Okay, now categories also. So in settings, we can go to the category here. We already have a category, so I'm not adding it a new category. If you want to add, you can just click here and then click on add category. Okay, now units. Unit, to add the unit means the which type of product you are selling in, basically in pieces or in kilogram, in milligram, in centimeter, it's on you. So to add the units, you can find the option here. Here you will click on unit, and then if you want to add more unit, just go here and click on add unit, like 002 code, and then unit name is kg. If you want any base unit, you can select the base unit here. Base unit comes from the already populated unit list. Okay, add unit. So now I will refresh my this screen again, because I have added some options. Now I will again add the product 1 code. You can click here, it will create the unique number of product, unique numbers, set of number. Basically, now I will select brand here, category here, unit here. Unit should be pieces. Cost mean the in which price you get the product from the supplier. Like I got it in 100, but I want to sell it at 140 or 120. Okay, so this is the cost and this is the price. Product tax, if you want to add the product tax, then you can include it. It will automatically add. You can the 10%, 6% in the tax in the product. You can also customize it. Ignore promotions. Tax method inclusive, exclusive. If you want to include the tax method, then it will also include. Alert quantity means you can these are the quantity. There is a bar that shows the alert quantity. Like if you want the notification here. So if you so then for example, if you only left 10 products in your back store, so you can add the alert quantity like 10. So if you have quantities left 10 or 10 or less than 10, it will show you the notification here. So for now I am not entering the alert quantity. And for product tax, we can add it from update it from there. Text. Here it is, text rates. You can go here, you can adjust the text or modify the text according to your need. Okay, so I just think, oh sorry, I just changed the screen, that's why. You can also select the product type. Here means standard product type is a single product type. If you want to add the combo, like you want to add one more product on it, so you can select the combo thing. Combo product. If the product is of digital type, like something that you also want to show the URL or give at URL, so you can select the digital type. If it's a service, then you are providing some service, and you can select the products service. Normally we use the standard. So brand, category, unit. Basically I suggest you to first add these all things like category, product, units and brands, then add the product. Otherwise you have to face some delay, because basically not delay, like something like basically problem, like if you have to come on the product screen, then you for add the new unit, you go the unit screen again, then you have to refresh the screen to populate the data now. So first it's better to add the units, these brand, category and unit firstly. Now add product cost. Again, ignore these fields. Basically this is the POS field, that if you want some product and don't want to show in the POS screen, like this screen I will show you in the later, so you can ignore it. Now I am adding the product. Okay, after adding the product, the product is now added successfully. Here it's showing the cost, it's showing the price count. You can also search by the code here, by name. Multiple filters here, by name, by category. You also should, from here you can send the list, number of the list of the products. Here you can select the warehouses. You can select, you can update the price, you can sync the product. So now this product is added successfully. Now import product. What is import product? Basically if you want to add the products by using this CSV file, so you can do this. You can download the sample file from here, you can open it, add the products related information, and then upload it from here. So it will import the product like this: name, product name, code, barcode, brand. You have to enter all these things there, and when you upload it, then it will add the products in this product list. Okay. Now basically print barcode label is for the printer that we will attach to this system. So it's later I will discuss about it. Quantity adjustment. Basically a quantity adjustment means, for example, if you have 10 products in the backend, and two or three products is going due to some reason or get damaged or anything, so you can add the quantity adjustment here of the products. Stock count. Basically stock count is for you. For example, if you want to enter the stock count and count the stock of the product, so you can use it here, or you can add from here. Okay, now the second thing we will go on sales. Sales is first is list sales. List sales mean those sales that you can create from here. Okay, like you will enter it manually from this, like this product sale. Above, basically it's telling you to add the customer, select the customer here. Biller is okay, so it's showing that our product is out of stock. Basically I have added the product, but I have not added the purchases of it. That means we have the product, but we don't know how much amount of product you have, so you have to add the products also here. So before going to sales screen, we will go to this purchase screen. Okay, purchase. Here I will add the purchases of my product, like add product. I will add purchase reference number let it know reference number. Warehouses, for example, if you have 2 warehouses, 3 warehouses, you can add the multiple warehouses from this screen, settings and warehouses. By going to here, you can add multiple warehouses here. Okay, so on purchases, let's purchase some item. Also you have to select the supplier. You can add supply from here, or you can add from also from this settings screen, also add the supplier from there. So basically the supplier is like from where you are getting the product now. So you have to enter the supplier. Now add the product, like test product, and its quantity. Let's suppose that I have bought 100 pieces of this test product. Okay, so basically the net unit cost is 0. Let me change the product. You already have one product again. So net unit cost is 100, so I just enter this quantity to 120. So it will multiply 120 with 100 is to 12,000. If you want to add some discount here, you can shipping, or mean that the supplier is giving you a discount. You can add here shipping or payment terms or anything you want, notes or etc. So you can add it here. So for now I am not adding here, I am just buying the, you can add the multiple products here, like product test product, it's on you. Okay, you can also edit its detail, like you want to add some discount that supplier has given you on the cost price, you can also add discount here. If you want to add 10 rupees discount, then you can only add 10 here, so it will give you 90. But if you want to 10% discount, let me add, so you can use 10% here. Basically it's 100 to 10% is also the 10, so it's not showing you. Okay, it works 1%. For now I'm removing the discount. Okay, so when I click on submit, this will add the purchase. Now what is showing, it's showing that purchase, it is received, that you have received the product, but balance, there is a balance of this. What this means, that grand total is 12,000, but you have paid 0 now to the supplier, and balance is 12,000. If you want to pay half of it, so you can add the add payment here, go to add payment. Like there is a total of 12,000, but you are paying like 6,000 for now. Date is this and time is this. When you can add the note that I will pay other half later. Okay, now when you click on add purchase button, so it will show you that you have paid partial, 6,000 amount is paid and 6,000 amount is still pending, that you have to pay to your supplier. Let's suppose after 1-2 days or same day you have paid the other 600 balance amount. So it is show you that payment status paid. That means that the amount you have bought from your supplier is now is paid. The product you have bought from supplier with amount of 12,000 is paid by you to the supplier. So this is a list purchase, add purchase. This same is add purchase by CV, if you CSV, if you want to add purchase by CSV. There is a list expenses, like if there is some expense in your shop, like you broke the glass, you broke anything, you broke the cups, so you can add the expenses there. But category, you can also set the category of the expenses there. You can set a reference, you can set the amount for I have got an expense of these rupees, so it's on you. Okay, now quotations. Now quotations is just like a simple thing, that if you want to give a quotation to someone, then it's a basically you can add the quotation here, add product here, and then it will print. You can attach your printer and then print the quotation and give it to any person if you want to give. So it's a simple bill type. Bill type, but not an actual bill, not a purchase, but it's just like a quotation now. So okay, after this transfers, basically if you want to transfer some item from one warehouse to other warehouse, so this is the transfers field. You can simply add the product, you can select. Basically now for now I have one product only. I selected the from warehouse or to warehouse, which warehouse. For now I'm one warehouse only. If you have two warehouse, then you can select two warehouse and then from warehouse and add the products, and you also mention the products, so the system will transfer the product from one warehouse to another warehouse. Returns, basically what does return? For example, someone comes to your shop and want to return something, so you can add the returns from here. You can also add the return from sales screen that I will tell you now. So returns, now people, what people is basically in people you can add multiple users here, like with different groups like owner, salesperson, owner person. Okay, first name, last name. If you want to set different, so every users get the roles according to their group. So every group has different roles, owner has different roles, salesperson has different roles. Salesperson should be billers, like which biller is standing on the screen. The biller standing on the standing on the shop, that is selling. Billers, customers, like normally we use normally there is one customer if you want, but if you want to add some more special customers, you can add the customers here. These all will be available on this POS screen. I will show you later. So same suppliers, like supplier that which supplier that we are buying for the our product from, so you can add supplier. Calendars is different. Notification, if you want to show notifications that today is off or anything to your users, so you can add notification. Calendar is simple, a calendar. uh, Now we will go to our sale that we left. So in our sale there is a list sales option. If you want to add sales normally, means manually, you can add the sales from here. You can select the product, you can add the quantity here. It will add sales here. So it will add like this. You can also add the sale node sharpener, so it added a sale here. But what the second is POS sales. Basically this is the main sale that we use in our POS system. This list sale is there. Other sales, add, you can add sales by CSV, you can add deliveries, you can add list card, gift card. There, like some shops introduce a gift card to a system, so you can add the gift card here. So to manage the system, to manage the the cards. Okay, so POS sale, how to so the main sales module of our sale is POS sales. How you can go see the POS sales. So this is the main thing. POS system, basically this system is based on point of sale system. So our main screen is this POS screen. Okay, it's, let me first take 1 minute close this stuff. Okay, so when you go to the POS screen, POS screen, here it will first start ask you that how much cash you have in your current drawer. For example, you have 1000 left, 1000. So then if you so you have to enter the cash that you have in drawer, then you can go on open register. So it will register, open register, and then you will navigate it to the point of sale screen. In this screen you can select multiple warehouses, you can select customer. This is the main screen that you will you will use in your terminal. For in this screen you can scan product with the barcode. You can also add product from here. You can set categories, you can add categories, filter by categories. You can add filter by subcategories. You can add filter by brands. For now I have one brand, I have one category. Okay, so you can search also by name. It will add automatically. So okay, if you have multiple, then it will show you the list. Like if 30, it basically it works very fast, so it don't take any time. And add the products. If you want to add some note on the product, you can add it here. If you want some discount on this, for example, if you want to increase the quantity, you can add quantity here, like 5. If you want to add some discount here, like it's a 120, it's the product of the price of this product 120, and I want to add 10 rupees discount. So it will automatically do it to 110 per product piece. But if you want 10% discount, so just add the percent. As I told you about this later, go early. So it adds 10% discount, like 108. Okay, it is showing your total prices, items, total items, order tax. If you want to add some order tax in your product, you can add the order tax like this. So it will add the order tax. If you want discount on the total bill, so you can also add the discount on total bill. Like our total bill is this, or I want to add discount on my total bill, so I can add the total discount on my total bill. Okay, also If you can print the order bill, you can print you can cancel the, or and you can suspend the sale. Suspend, like someone comes to you and do the bill, and do the overall billing, okay, and then he goes suddenly and told you that I will come in, I will come, I just left something. So you can suspend the sale here, where the reference look like getting more products from shelf, okay. So you can suspend the sale, and after some time, like suppose he comes here, so you can, again you can click here, and it will come here. If not, then simply add the product, click on payment. If want to add some note, you can add it here. Payment note added agar amount is, if he is give a big note like 5,100, then you can add select from also here. Otherwise you can not select it, not problem. Let's add amount, sorry we have just cleared it, so 653.40. You can also remove the surroundings from, so don't worry about that. Now when I click on the submit button, it's showing it just show me the bill screen like this, okay. Address, telephone number, GST, VST, we can edit all these things in the biller screen that I showed you. Products test, it is showing the product with 5 quantity, and this, and then one quantity was 120 rupees, 120, this is the 120 minus 12 means that the 10% discount we have added. Total tax, order discount, grand total, paid by cash amount change, and also the barcode and QR code showing you. If you want to print this, you can click or share, or otherwise also I can also set up the automatically print. So when you click come on this screen, it will automatically print the bill. Now if you want to again then go to back screen, then you can click on the back on to POS screen, so you will come here. If you want to check the register detail, you can click here. It will show you how much total cash you should be have now, because cash in hand at 1,000, that when you open the product, when you open the system, and then cash remain at 653, that is just now paid, that these are the payment that just someone bought now. If you want a little today's profit from this screen, you can also set is there. Also we have the reporting, I will show you the overall reporting of this. Product revenue like 758, order discount 66, product cost is 700, profit is 14 rupees. Like product 780, the product stuff, the products cost जो revenue that we total cost is 780, and the cost of the product that we sell is 700, and the profit is 14 because 66, and we have at order discount 66 of rupees 66. So this is the wall screen. Also you can see the total sales here from this screen. Basically it's a short short screen. You can open this, you can clear all the data locally saved that is saved in our caches and cookies, and there's a shortcut. Calculator is also available. There is a shortcut for keyboard keys. Okay, now for example, if you are going to now let's suppose then you have worked all over the day, and now you are closing your shop, so you can go click here close register button, and then when you click on close register, it will close your register for today. And the next day when you want to use a POS, then you have to click here, then it will ask again the cash in hand from you. Okay, now in our settings screen, let me show you some important things like currencies. You can change the currency, is it USD, euro, or PKR. You can set the price group, you can set the expense category that I told you earlier, categories of expense, units, brands, variants. Normally persons don't use these. And okay, system settings, you can, for example, I want to change the default currency, so how can I do it? I just go to here currency, I edit my currency of PKR Pakistani symbol is RS. So now it's at the Pakistani currency here. Now when I want to update it, so here I will go to system settings, I can change different price. I can set different categories here. If I want to change the language of my system, you can change it from here. Like their system supports Arabic, English, France, German, Indonesian. There are multiple languages system supports. Multiple pillars available. Let me show. I will show you the pillars. Screen products. You can or product based settings, sales based settings, overselling or not. Basically, it's these are the settings you can ask me for that. Uh, okay, and now let me show you a biller screen. This biller. Okay, these are the biller screen. You can change your name. That you can change the GST email address. You can set the address. You can set the state. You can set the city phone number. So anything you want to change, you can also add the multiple pillars here. So just left the reports also. Let me show you. These are the reports. These are the overview chart. It shows you the total items and the total quantities that are available, profit, how much profit, stock value by cost, and stock value by price. Best warehouse stock chart. This is the warehouse stock chart. This is the overview overview stock chart. That how much stock value by cost, stock value by price, and how much sales you have done, purchases you have done in April or May. Okay, now best seller. Best seller means that which product is best sold, which product is sold in the last month's best selling product in the last month. It shows you register report. Register means that daily you open and close your you closed the shop. This is the register report. Okay, product quantity. Product quantity alerts. If you want to add the quantity, so you can check the alerts here, that like how much quantity of products you have in your warehouse. You can also check from here, like go on products, this product. This also shows you the quantity left. This quantity 113 left. Okay, so product report, you can see the product reports here, like how much purchases, profit, loss, and sold the product. You can also add the bill. You can also add the filters here, like warehouse with brand, product report with brand, category, start date, end date, filters. It's on you. adjustment adjustment report. If you it shows you the adjustment of the products. Categories report, it shows you the category, like this category of you product, you purchase the amount of this category, you sold this, and you purchase amount of this category is this, sold amount is this, profit loss in this on the set category. Brand report shows the brand reports of of the products. Daily sales shows the daily sales of the product of products, like how in Saturday you sold this amount of items. On click on this will show also the profit to you, how much discount you have been, shipping, product cost, order tax, total amount. It shows you monthly sales. It shows you the monthly sales of the product, like up in April you get a total of 773, in May, June, July. This is the monthly sales report. Sales report is this, shows you the sales, the report of the sales. They like these product quantity you have sold 5, this product 1, this product 1, amount is paid, amount is spending. It's on you. Basically it's depend on you that have you entered the amount or not. So payment report, tax report, profit and loss. You can check the profit and loss here. It will show you purchases, sales, returns, how much returns is, payment reports, payment, sales, expenses. Daily purchases, you can add daily purchases here, like purchase report. That is a purchase report. Monthly purchases, it's a monthly purchase report, that the monthly how much amount you have purchased monthly in the form of monthly form. Purchase report, expense report, customers report, supplier report, staff report. The staff that works on your system, on your company. You also see the staff report, supplier report. The supplier report is this of the supplier, basically shows you supplier list. These are supply reported, total paid this, total amount is this, due is when, how much purchases, when purchases. Payments, you can set the payment, check the payment date. First you paid this amount on this date, and now the second 6,000 you paid on this date and this amount. So this all the reportings are here. is available. So guys, this is the basically the basic of 30 to 35%. I have to tell you the system. It's a much more it's a very large and huge system. So but in this tutorial I told you the much of it, how to use the system. If you have any queries, you can also ask me. You can also ask me. So that's all for today. Take care.